Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Best Buy account, orders, rewards, and Geek Squad step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type bestbuy.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Best Buy homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the account or sign in option. Click sign in to open the login window or sign in page. If you are using the Best Buy mobile app, open the app instead of the website. On the app, tap the account icon at the bottom or top corner of the screen. On the sign-in screen, click or tap the email address field. Type the email you used when you created your Best Buy account. Click or tap the password field to continue. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are in a public place, do not enable Keep Me Signed In for safety. Click or tap the Sign In button to log in. If Best Buy asks for a verification code, check your email or phone for the code. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. After you sign in, go back to the top right and open Account to view your profile menu. Select Order Status or Purchases to see your current and past orders. Click an order to track shipping, view delivery updates, or see pickup details. Use the order page to find invoices, receipts, and order numbers when needed. Return to the account menu and choose My Best Buy Rewards or Rewards Overview. Check your points balance, certificates, and membership status on the rewards page. If rewards do not appear, confirm you are logged into the correct email account. For Geek Squad, open the account menu again and select Geek Squad or Services. View your protection plans, subscriptions, and service history in that section. To schedule help, choose an option like Schedule a repair, in-home service, or support. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email, follow the reset link, and create a strong new password. If you still cannot sign in, contact Best Buy support using the help section on the site or app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.